25th November by evening तक they will send me quickly. सबके आने कंपलसरी हैं, अदरवाइज ओरल्स में किसी को भी मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, सबको 0 मिलेंगे. एंड जो आपके जो वीडियोस एंड जो पिक्चर्स हैं, प्लीज वेट, लेट मी कंप्लीट. जो वीडियोस हैं एंड पिक्चर्स हैं वो सीबीएसई की वेबसाइट पे अपलोड होंगे. अगर आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन है, यू कैन गो एंड चेक द सीबीएसई वेबसाइट. ठीक है, ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस वहीं से आए हैं कि बच्चों को इस बार फ्रॉम क्लास 1 to 12 दे हैव टू मेक AIL प्रोजेक्ट. अगर आपका प्रोजेक्ट नहीं आएगा then it's going to be a problem. Okay, so try it. It will not take much time, hardly 1 hour भी नहीं लगेगा इसमें. Yes? नहीं, EVS में clay modeling है, only clay modeling.
Okay.
I've already shared with you each and every information. Kindly go through the PDF. Kindly go. हाँ जी.
अब क्या करना है?
Who's asking this me right now? Wait. Navya, what are you asking?
हिंदी आर्ट पीरियड में क्या करना है?
बेटा हिंदी का आप हिंदी मैम से पूछो, because I don't have much information about it. हिंदी की क्लास है आज आपकी? You have हिंदी क्लास today? अगर आज आपकी हिंदी की क्लास है, please ask हिंदी project with हिंदी मैम and computers from computer मैम. ठीक है? She can explain you better. Right? Maybe मैं कोई information miss कर दूं या wrong information दे दूं about the other projects, so it would not be good. Right? So ask them for other subjects. Okay? Okay, now I'm asking everyone. Yes?
मैम EVS में क्या करना है?
अवनी, this is very bad. मैंने 15 days पहले आपको PDF शेयर करा था. You're asking me 2 days before EVS में क्या करना है. And मैं already क्लास में बहुत बार explain कर चुकी हूँ. And मैं messages में भी आपको भेज चुकी हूँ. हाँ, उसमें वीडियो नहीं है. Please go through the PDF. PDF जो मैम ने आपको भेजा है उसको go through करो. पापा से बोलो, मम्मा से बोलो, उसको पढ़ें and they will tell you. उसमें clay modeling करनी है. This is not the way, beta. I'm not expecting these kind of questions now, 2 days before.
मैम वो तो बनाती है.
हाँ ठीक है, अगर आपने बना दिया तो then fine. आपने send कर दिया assignments में?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's okay. Thank you so much. Fine. Okay. Now I'm going to mute you all because I'm going to start the revision now. It's already 9:08. ठीक है. And ये जो मैं आज रिविजन करा रही हूँ, इस रिविजन को सभी बच्चे घर में फिर से करेंगे. When they will do in their notebooks, they will do their on their own. आप खुद करेंगे. ठीक है. Suppose कोई mistake हो, then you can check with the answer keys. Fine. इस तरह से क्या होगा, आपका रिवीजन भी होगा और इनकेस अगर कोई मिस्टेक हो गई तो वो भी फाइंड आउट हो जाएगी. राइट? चलिए, लेट्स डू इट. Okay, so we are going to do the revision for Goldilocks and the Three Bears. This is worksheet 15. Achha, tomorrow we are going to take the maths class. Tomorrow I will not take English. Okay, because we have done quite a few revision in English, but maths and EVS is still lacking. So tomorrow we will do what? We will do maths. And tell me the answer. Wait, I will read these words which are in help box for you. ये words मैं पढ़ती हूँ, ठीक है? And fill in the blanks जो हैं आप खुद read करेंगे and answer भी आप खुद ही देंगे. Okay? So number 1 is 3. Goldilocks, small, middle, biggest, permission, and promise. Okay. So now you read the first one. Avni, read the first fill in the blanks and answer that. Quickly. Read this one. First one. This one.
Get.
Got. पहले बेटा जब ब्लैंक आता है ना उसको आप डैश पढ़ सकते हो. डैश गॉट. आगे पढ़ो.
Dash. Dash. Got.
पढ़ो.
Dash got. Last.
Lost.
Last.
पढ़ो.
Last in the.
Avni, don't ask anyone. कोई confusion है मुझसे पूछो.
Forest.
इनको ज्वाइन करो. इनकी जो साउंड्स हैं उनको ज्वाइन करो. Dash got lost in the forest. Avni, you need lot of reading practice, please. अब नेक्स्ट साइकिल में ना मैं रीडिंग के बेसिस पे मार्क्स देने वाली हूँ. जल्दी जल्दी अपनी रीडिंग को आप लोग इम्प्रूव कर लो. इट्स वेरी बैड. अच्छा, टेल मी द आंसर. डैश गॉट लॉस्ट इन द फॉरेस्ट. ब्लैंक में क्या आएगा?
सुनना ही पाई.
आई एम सेइंग डैश गॉट लॉस्ट इन द फॉरेस्ट. यहाँ क्या आएगा जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक है उसमें? Who got lost in the forest? कौन खो गया था फॉरेस्ट में? हेल्प बॉक्स में से वर्ड्स देखो. इसका मतलब जब मैंने ये चैप्टर करवाया था आपने रिवाइज नहीं किया है. Otherwise, you could have answered it because it's very easy. It's very easy. Okay, Vaibhavi, you will answer me. Avni, mute yourself, Avni. Mute yourself. Take lot. No, you're wrong. Mute yourself, Avni. Vaibhavi, you will answer me quickly. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me the answer one. Fill in the blank. I have already read these words for you, जो help box में है. Now you have to answer these fill in the blanks. Dash got lost in the forest. Who got lost in the forest?
Got lost in the forest.
हाँ, तो आंसर बताओ. ब्लैंक में क्या आएगा?
Goldilocks.
Yes. Goldilocks got lost in the forest. हमने चैप्टर पढ़ा था उसमें एक गर्ल थी जिसका नेम था गोल्डीलॉक्स. वो फॉरेस्ट में खो गई थी. राइट? अवनी, प्लीज बी सीरियस फॉर योर स्टडीज. ओके? और आज जो हम करवा रहे हैं इसको आप रिवाइज करेंगी. सो गोल्डीलॉक्स गॉट लॉस्ट इन द फॉरेस्ट. गोल्डीलॉक्स जो थी उसका नाम था, एक जो गर्ल थी उसका नाम था गोल्डीलॉक्स और वो फॉरेस्ट में खो गई थी. Okay, now Satyam will tell me number 2. Satyam, read the number 2, please. Quickly, beta. It's already 9:15.
Walk into the hut
without dash. Very good. Goldilocks walked into the hut without permission. Goldilocks without permission hut में चली गई थी. Right? You remember that chapter? जो हमने स्टोरी पढ़ी थी, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. जिन बच्चों ने कंसंट्रेशन से पढ़ी, जिन्होंने रिवाइज किया, उनको 100% लर्न होगा because the story was very nice and interesting, right? गोल्डीलॉक्स ने क्या किया था? शी वॉक्ड इनटू द हट, हट में चली गई थी विदाउट परमिशन, किसी की परमिशन नहीं ली उसने, जो हट के जो ओनर थे उनकी परमिशन नहीं ली, और जस्ट शी वेंट इनसाइड. ओके, नाउ थर्ड, हु इज गोना रीड? Adya Gupta, please read the third one quickly. Adya, are you there? Adya Gupta, are you there? Okay. Arohi Mittal. Arohi will read. Arohi, unmute yourself, beta. Arohi Mittal. क्या बात है? No response. Pradyuman, are you able to see me? Read the third one, beta. Pradyuman, read the third one, and then the answer is. Pradyuman.
There
Hmm.
were chairs.
वर. जब WERE है उसको हम क्या प्रोनाउंस करेंगे?
Good.
वर. वर से वर, देयर वर से. प्रद्युमन बोलो बेटा.
मैम was नहीं आ रही.
क्या नहीं आ रही? मेरी वॉइस नहीं आ रही?
मैम
अच्छा, अभी क्लियर है? अभी देखो, देयर वर डैश, देयर वर डैश, आगे क्या लिखा है? डैश के बाद क्या लिखा है प्रद्युमन?
chairs. Chairs.
अच्छा, पहले इसे कंप्लीट करो, पहले इसे कंप्लीट करो. देयर वर डैश चेयर्स, क्या आएगा फिल इन द ब्लैंक में?
Middle.
नो, देयर वर डैश चेयर्स.
मैम मुझे पता है देखो. 3 chairs.
Yes, there were 3 chairs. वहां पे कितनी chairs थी? 3 chairs. 3. There were 3 chairs. Okay, now read the next sentence. Read the next one.
आगे से आगे आगे बोलो.
The bed.
No. From here.
Good.
यहाँ से.
Chair Goldilocks sit on the chair.
Dash chair. Goldilocks sat on the dash chair. Which chair? कौन सी चेयर में बैठी थी वो? हम्म? हम्म?
Middle.
नहीं बेटा, no. No, wrong. It's okay. कोई बात नहीं. I'll ask this someone else. Fine. Middle में नहीं बैठी थी. Summer wants to say. Okay, Summer. You're raising your hands. Now tell me. Answer. Goldilocks sat on the dash chair. Which chair?
Small chair.
Yes, she sat on the small chair. जो सबसे छोटी वाली chair थी, baby bear की जो chair थी, उसमें बैठी थी वो. Okay, number 4. Who's gonna read? It's okay, Pradyuman. Fine. You can revise it later. That's fine. COVID, unmute yourself and answer. Number 4. Read number 4, please.
The biggest bed hard biggest bed
was. Say was. Say was.
Was
too hard. The biggest bed. The dash bed was too hard. तो इसमें क्या आएगा? Biggest bed. जो सबसे बड़ा बेड था वो बहुत हार्ड था. Okay, जो सबसे बड़ा बेड था वो बहुत हार्ड था. The dash bed was too hard. So Answer is right. The biggest bed was too hard. Okay, who's gonna read the fifth one? Okay, Meher will read. Meher Anand. Unmute yourself and read the fifth one.
The middle bed was too soft.
Yes, the dash bed was too soft. कौन सा bed soft था? The middle bed was too soft. जो middle वाला था, ना ही वो small था, ना ही वो big था. It was middle bed. वो किसका bed था? वो ममा बियर का bed था. तो middle bed जो था, that was too small. Okay. Answer keys are given. I'm not writing it properly. Answer keys are given to you. Okay. Okay. Number 6. Who's going to read the number 6 now? Lavneesh, unmute yourself. Lavneesh, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the 6th one. ये वाला read करो. ये वाला.
The
Try karo, baby. I will help you. Try.
birds to
The bears dash to पढ़ो. Always
lock.
बेटा अगर big words है ना तो small words को join करके पढ़ा करो. AL all WAYS ways always. आगे पढ़ो.
To always lock.
Lock their
hut.
Lock their hut. Good. So what is the answer? The bears dash to always lock their hut. वो क्या करते हैं? Read all these hints. इन सब hints को देखो पहले. And then tell me the answer. बोलो लवनीश. पहले ये सारे hints को read करो and then tell me the answer. हाँ?
30 आप कर लूँगी ऊपर डायपर
जोकर बना से
लवनीश.
क्या है
Someone else is unmuted.
जो भी है ना का जवाब हो जो भी है.
बोलो बेटा. The bears dash to always lock their hut. वो क्या करते हैं? क्या सोचते हैं? वो क्या करेंगे? हमेशा. नहीं आता लवनीश. Tell me. You don't know?
जवाब क्या बोले मैडम को बोलो जवाब दो क्या बोला आप है नहीं आता तो ये जवाब दो.
If you don't know, you can tell me, ma'am. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Fine. बोलो बेटा. Okay, fine. अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. अभी म्यूट करो and then समझो. I will explain. Say self-reflection. Mehul, mute yourself, please. Lavneesh, mute yourself, please. Okay. Now Mehul will answer. Mehul, unmute yourself and answer this. Lavneesh, ध्यान से सुनना बेटा.
मैम
Okay.
प्रॉमिस
पूरा read करो. Don't answer me like that.
the bears dash to always lock their hut.
The bears. The bears promise to always lock their hut. Why? Why they promise? Mehul, वो क्यों promise करते हैं? Bears हम promise करते हैं कि वो हमेशा अपनी hut को lock करके जाएंगे. Right? But why they promise? Why they promise like that?
Ma'am, because कोई भी घर में घुस सकता है.
Yes, okay, fine, it's okay. At least you know it. They promise to lock their hut because so that no one can enter their house without permission. जैसे गोल्डीलॉक्स चली गई थी उनके घर के अंदर, उनका परमिशन लिया था? नहीं लिया था ना? तो without permission हमें किसी के भी घर में नहीं घुसना चाहिए. We should always take the permission before entering. Okay? So last में आएगा. लवनीश समझ आया बेटा आपको? Sorry, promise is the answer. I'm sorry. So, bears promise always to lock their hut so that no one can enter their house without permission. Okay, now next. Choose the correct answer. 3 options are given. 1 question is given. Okay, now you have to choose which one is the correct one. Kritika, unmute yourself and read. Read the first one. Kritika, sing. Quickly. Read the first one.
Ma'am, 3.
Abhi dikhegi beta, wait. Fine. Kritika, read all 3 options and then answer the right one. Ha. Porridge, soup, oats. Ha. And जो आपने does पढ़ा है, that is not does, that is does. बोलो, what does Goldilocks? Fine. Now, what is the answer? Porridge. Say porridge. Porridge. Very good. So, Goldilocks taste the porridge. क्या taste किया था उसने? 3 balls में रखा हुआ था. वो क्या था? Porridge था. Okay, fine. Now the next one. Leah, unmute yourself and read. Leah. Read the next one. Read this one, beta.
W-H-A-T what? The H-A-P-P-E-N-S. Happens to the C-H-A-I-R
Chair. Good.
Goldilocks.
Yes.
S-I-T-S. Sits
Good.
on.
Good. What happens to the chair Goldilocks sits on? Now tell me the answer. Read these 3 options and tell me the answer.
B.
Read the first one first.
Okay, ma'am. G-O-T. Jog.
Hmm. Hmm.
DISCOLOPR
LOU है ये. This is not P. This is U. Hmm.
URED.
Hmm.
Youth.
Got. DIS. This. Discolored. Discolored. Okay. Now the next one. Read the next option.
NOTHING. Nothing.
HAPPENED. HAPPENED. Nothing happened.
Nothing happened to the
chair. Number 1 option, got discolored. Number 2 option, nothing happened to the chair. Now number 3, read the number 3.
BROKE.
Broke.
BO dog.
So what is it? हाँ, पूरा क्या बनेगा? Broke down. Okay. So tell me the answer. In 3 options में से, which one is the answer?
Broke down.
Good. What happens to the chair Goldilocks sits on? Chair got broke down. Chair क्या हो गई थी? Broke down हो गई थी, टूट गई थी. Good, Leah. Good. Well tried. Okay, next. Sanvi Yadav, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
हाँ बेटा, you can go. Sanvi, unmute yourself and read the last question. Read this one. Read करो बेटा.
Why does Goldilocks run house out of the hut?
Why does Goldilocks run out of the hut? So tell me, 2 options are given. Read these 2 options and tell me the answer. Read first option first.
She
got
scared.
Scared का क्या मीनिंग होता है सानवी?
डरना.
Good. Okay, आगे पढ़ो.
By the screaming
Very good.
The baby here.
Very good. Okay, now tell me the meaning of scream. Do you know the meaning of scream?
चिल्लाना.
Very good. Okay, now tell me the next option.
He
Hmm.
He thought to go
Hmm.
back
Hmm.
to
Hmm.
her
Hmm. Hmm. Sanvi, wait, 2 minutes, wait. Okay, Sanvi, what is the answer then? Option 1 or option 2? Why are you asking your mother? मुझे बताओ मैम को. It's okay. If you're wrong, it's okay.
Option 1.
Yes, she got scared. Goldilocks, why she ran out of the house? वो क्यों भागी थी? Because she got scared by the screaming of the baby bear. Baby bear ने बहुत shout किया था उससे देख के. She was sleeping on the smallest bed. Remember? सबसे छोटे वाले बेड पे सो रही थी. And then the baby bear saw her and then he started screaming कि who is it sleeping on my bed? Right? So she got scared. That is why she ran out of the hut. Okay? Okay, very good, Sanvi. Now, these are the answer keys, and I'm going to share this with you, this worksheet, very soon. You all have to do this in your notebooks, okay? And you will revise it. Fine? So let me just wind up this class and you can join your another class. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.